Hello everyone, my name is Lynn. I am glad to see you girls here. Today we are going over the rules. Rule number 1. If you are looking for some toys to play with and you hear whispers or banging noises, hide inside one of the drawers and you will survive just fine. Rule number 2. I will not be at the orphanage until 1:30 o'clock to 34 to 68 a.m. But if you hear someone knocking on your door, do not open it. Mother is waiting for you outside. Rule number 3. Do not touch the Mona Lisa painting, cause it will suck you inside the painting and you will be trapped inside forever. Rule number 4. When you are in bed sleeping, a monster will check if you are sleeping. Last rule for the day. Rule number 5. Do not go into room 12. If you go inside, you will think it is not a trap, but it's actually a trap. An invisible monster will drag you into the walls and lines you. But it is not nice to new girls. That is all the rules for today.
The rules are fake.
No, they are not.
Let's see if it's real or not. Come on. I can't let Ms. Lynn noticing me. Welp, there is nothing here. Let's keep going. Ms. Lynn, help. Help.
Where is Liquid?
I think she might be killed.
Part 2 soon.